Hello. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color, violet color. Let's learn to write alphabets A to Z. A for apricot. B for books. C for camel. D for dolphin. E for eggplant. F for fairy. G for garden. H for haunted. H for house. I for insects. J for jungle. K for kitten. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for optical. P for parrot. Q for query. R for rose. S for scooter. T for train. U for universe. V violin. W wind. X-ray. Y yogurt. Z zebra. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you. Subscribe our channel.